Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to teach you a trend reversal strategy. This is a very solid strategy which you can use to make money in the forex market. Okay, so this strategy does not work for consolidation. So when the market is consolidating, just forget about it. This strategy is not going to work. When you have indecision like you have right here, you can see market just going up, down like this, no specific direction. Okay, as you know, we have three types of movements in the market. It's either we have an uptrend, a downtrend, or a consolidation. So right here, this is a consolidation. This strategy does not work for consolidation. It only works either in an uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so that's the reason why we are going to be needing a trend line. Your trend line should have at least 3 touches when you draw it, though sometimes 2 touches are usually enough, but for this strategy I would recommend 3 touches. So I already have an example right here on the charts. You can see my trend line. Okay, this is my trend line. Let's see how many touches we have there. Okay, so this is the first touch. Oh, excuse me. So this is the first touch right here. We have a second touch here and a third touch right here. So the trend line is confirmed to be a good one. Now the next thing you're going to need is an horizontal line like this one that I'm moving right here. So what are you going to do with the horizontal line? I'll show you. If you are in a downtrend, just as what we have here, the lower high that is formed is what you'll be using this horizontal line to gauge. Okay, so this is a lower high right here. You have a lower high right there. That's why I placed the horizontal line there. But another lower high was formed, so you keep moving it to the next lower high until you get to the last lower high before the price moves out of the trend line. So we are trying to follow the lower highs until we get to the part where we are going to have a last lower high, before which trend now the price now breaks the trend line and goes outside of it. So as you can see, this actually is the last lower high, this green candle down here. Okay, let me see if I can point with an arrow. This green candle down here, can you see it? That's the last pullback, last lower high that we had in this downtrend. So you place your, what's it called, you place your horizontal line there, then you wait for price outside of this trend line that has been broken to come and break this horizontal line that you have just placed. Okay, so when it breaks it, you wait for a retest. As you can see, price broke. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, to make this bigger. Okay, so price broke the line from below. Okay, retested it, then did what? Then moved up. Look at this. This is what I'm trying to say. Price broke the line from below this way, retested it, then moved up. So you are to enter when price retests the line. Okay, you are to enter, then your stop loss should be about SL, about 10 pips, 10-15 pips should be enough for your stop loss. Now where are you going to take profits? Just look to the left to know where to take profits. Okay, let me copy this horizontal line. So barriers that you have, to the left is what will let you know where your take profits should be. Okay, one of the barrier I have here to the left is this what's it called, this lower high is like a resistance, as if there's a resistance here. Okay, there's under resistance here, there's a support here. So all of these could potentially be turning points for price. So what I would have typically done is to take my TP1 around here, then my TP2 is going to be somewhere around, let's say this supports right here. That will be my TP2. Okay, so let's see what played out. As you can see, TP1 was smashed, but TP2 was not smashed. Okay, so remember what I taught you on uncertainty principle. So nothing is 100% in forex. You still need to be smart when price is moving in your direction. So what I would have done, I would have moved my stop loss, into profits. So even though it reversed later and does not hit all my take profit positions, definitely I'll make some profit from this trade. Okay, so let's look at another example. I have to delete some so the chart will not be so messed up. Let me leave only one horizontal line. Okay, if I need more, I'll copy that one. Okay, so this is another example right here. This is an uptrend this time around. Okay, so how many touches do we have? We have 1 touch here, 2 touches, 3 touches. So definitely this trend line is okay. I have 3 touches. My trend line is confirmed. Next thing, I'll start moving my horizontal line. When we're dealing with downtrend, the horizontal lines were being moved to lower highs, right? But this time around, the horizontal lines will move to higher lows. Okay, higher lows. This is an higher low right here. This is another higher low. This is another higher low. Okay, this is another higher low. Okay, so you'll be moving it until you get to the last higher low formed before the trend line got broken. Okay, so this is the last higher low that was formed somewhere around here. Okay, so price formed an higher low, then moved up. So what we want to do is you wait for this level that you just drew, this horizontal line, okay, which marked the last higher low before price went outside of the trend line. You wait for it to get broken downwards, then you enter. Okay, so look at everything that happened. We are still waiting for it to break it downwards. You can see it broke it downwards. Okay, and what happened? Price moved down. Now we are supposed to wait for a retest, but you can see the retest did not happen. So that's the only thing that is a little bit complex when it comes to this strategy. Sometimes you can decide to wait for a retest, it might never happen. Okay, whereas sometimes you enter thinking the retest will not happen, then the retest happens and you are in drawdown. So it's now left for you to determine the best strategy you want to use. Do you want to enter once it is broken, or you want to wait for the retest? If you ask me, I would say wait for the retest. Even if you miss out on some trades, at least it's better than you exposing your accounts to drawdowns. Okay, so it now depends on your own risk appetite. I think I have another example here. Is this a good example? Okay, let's see. So what do we have here? How many touches do we have? We have so many wicks here. Let's say this first touch, this second touch, and we have a third touch around here. Okay, so I'll get my horizontal line. This is a downtrend, so I'm going to be placing this on the higher lows. The lower highs rather. So this is a lower high right here. This under lower high right here. This under lower high right here. Okay, so is there a lower high here? I'm not certain. Let me leave it here. Okay, this is what is causing the confusion. You can see all these crazy wicks. I would rather not take this trade, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm waiting for it to break above it, retest, then move up. Instead of breaking above it, it bounced downwards. Okay, it later broke above it here, retested, then entered. Okay, I would have entered around here. See, it broke above. Okay, gave us a retest, and then price moved up. Okay, so if you entered at this level, stop loss a few pips below, probably 10 pips or 15 pips, you would have still made money as the price moved in the upwards direction. Hope you can see. So price moved in the upwards direction. Okay, So basically that's the idea behind the strategy. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Do a thorough back test of this, try it out on a demo account, but I tell you it's a very cool strategy which you can add to your arsenal. Okay, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank